A religion is a set of belief that is passionately held by a group of people that is reflected in the world view and in expected beliefs and actions. These beliefs, according to some religious sects, are often linked to supernatural being such as God, a number of gods or spirits. Do you know, kids, who is God? According to certain religion and mythologies, God is the creator of the earth and of everything else. Hinduism says that there is one God who can come in many forms. Theists believe that God created everything that exists and has ever existed. In most religions, God is believed to be immortal, which cannot die, and to have unlimited power, whose power are not limited to one thing. The belief that God or gods exists is usually called theism. People who reject belief that God is or any deity exists are called atheists. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today we are going to do page number 51. It is From Om to Amen. It comes under the topic of art and culture. Let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to know to identify few facts related to different religions of the world. You will be able to consider these facts. Then you will be able to choose and tick the correct options after reading the description given in the page. The first one is stupa. What is a stupa? Stupa is a Buddhist place of worship where monks pray to their god. The second one, this is a religion has two sects of belief called Shia and Sunni. Which religion is this? This is Islam. Islam means Muslim people. Third one, pews are the benches for people to sit while they are offering their prayers to the God. Fourth one, Roman Catholics and Protestants are follower of which religion? The Roman Catholics and Protestants are the followers of Christianity. They are called the Christian people. Fifth one, in Japan, ancestors are worshipped. What is it called? It is called Shintoism, where ancestors are being greeted. Ancestor means those person of your family who are no more. Sixth one, Ban Mitzvah is a ceremony which is performed on a boy when he turns 13 and is considered enough old to join the community. In which religion this ceremony is performed? This ceremony is performed in Judaism. Seventh one, the religion which believes that God, that is Atma, is present in all living beings. It is Hinduism. Hinduism believes that we all are having Atma in our bodies. Eighth one, the followers of Zoroastrian came from Persia and settled down in India. What are they called? They are called Parsis. Ninth one, maximum concentration of Jewish people is found in which country? It is Israel. Tenth one is Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan, and Samyak Chitra are the three jewels of this religion. This is Jainism. Kids, I told you, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify few facts related to different religions of the world. Now I have one task for you to do. As you all know that we are part of our diverse culture. I want you to make a collage on showing respect for all religions.